Printing and Framing Your PDF Image, a comprehensive guide. Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Ever wanted to take that amazing PDF image you have and turn it into a beautiful piece of physical art? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through the entire process from printing to framing so you can proudly display your favorite images. Let's get started. First things first, we need to get that digital image onto paper. You've got a few options here, each with its own pros and cons. Let's explore them. If you have a decent printer at home, this is a great place to start. It's convenient and gives you immediate control over the process. Just make sure you're using the right kind of paper. Photo paper is definitely recommended for the best results. Keep in mind that ink can get expensive, and the print quality might not be as professional as other options. But for smaller prints and quick projects, it's perfect. For a step up in quality and convenience, check out your local print shops. They offer a nice balance between cost and professional results. You'll find a variety of paper types and sizes to choose from, and they usually have a pretty quick turnaround time. Look for shops that specialize in photo printing for the best outcome. They'll have the right equipment and expertise to make your image really shine. If you're looking for professional-grade prints without leaving your house, online printing services are the way to go. You simply upload your PDF, choose your paper, size, and finish, and they ship the print right to your door. This can be really cost-effective, especially for larger prints or multiple copies. There are tons of options out there. Think Shutterfly, Snapfish, or even local print shops that offer online ordering. So, how do you decide which printing option is right for you? Let's break down the key factors to consider. Obviously, you want your print to look its best. Look for printing services that use high-resolution printers and offer a variety of paper options. The paper can make a huge difference in the final look and feel of your print. Price is always a factor, right? Compare prices from different providers, and don't forget to include shipping costs if you're ordering online. Sometimes a slightly higher price is worth it for better quality or faster turnaround. Make sure the printing service offers the size you need and the paper type you want. Not all services offer the same options. If you have a specific vision in mind, do your research to find a provider that can bring it to life. How quickly do you need your print? Some services offer faster turnaround times than others. If you're on a tight deadline, be sure to check the estimated delivery date before placing your order. Don't forget to read online reviews. See what other customers have to say about their experience with the printing service. This can give you valuable insights into the quality of their prints, their customer service, and their overall reliability. All right, you've got your print. Now it's time to frame it. You've basically got two options here: DIY framing or professional framing. Let's weigh the pros and cons of each. DIY framing is a budget-friendly option that's perfect for crafters and DIY enthusiasts. You can find a wide selection of pre-made frames at most craft stores. They come in various sizes, styles, and materials, so you're sure to find something that fits your taste. It's also super easy to insert your print into the frame. Plus, you have the flexibility to choose exactly the frame you want. If you're looking for a custom, high-quality finish, professional framing is the way to go. Frame shops offer a wider range of frame styles, materials, and matting options. They can also provide expert advice on frame selection, helping you choose the perfect frame to complement your print. This ensures a polished and long-lasting result. Just be prepared to spend a bit more money. Okay, let's dive into the actual framing process. Whether you're going DIY or professional, here's what you need to know. First, measure your print carefully. Then choose a frame that's the exact same size. Remove the backing from the frame, insert your print, and reassemble the frame. It's usually as simple as that. Bring your print to the frame shop and work with the framer to select a frame, mat, and glazing. They'll take care of the rest. They'll professionally assemble the frame, ensuring a perfect fit and maximum protection for your artwork. This is especially important for valuable or sentimental prints. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed your PDF image into a beautifully framed piece of art. Now you can enjoy your frame print for years to come, adding a personal touch to your home decor or creating a thoughtful gift for someone special. Happy crafting!